Good morning, children. Hope you understood all aggregate functions which we discussed in previous video. In this video, we will discuss about group by, having and order by clause of SQL query. These all three clauses are used with select statement. This is again the sample employee table which we will use in our examples. Now discuss about group by clause. The uses of SQL group by clause is to divide the rows in a table into smaller groups. As the name suggests, group means dividing number of rows in a table into smaller groups. The group by clause is used with the SQL select statement. Grouping can happen after query retrieves the rows from a table. When query retrieves rows from a table, we can group them using SQL select statement. Having is the restriction on those rows which were retrieved from the table using group by clause, or it is a group by result in which we put the having clause. We will understand it. Having is little bit different from where clause which you have studied in class 11th. You are well familiar with where clause. How it is different from having, we will discuss in our later videos. Order by, you are well familiar with this clause. Order by clause is used to sort the result set in ascending or descending order. By default, the result set is in ascending order. If you want to sort it in descending order, you have to use DESC keyword. Now, this is the syntax for group by and having clause. If I have to use where, group by and having, all three clauses in a same query, this must be the order. Select column list from table name, where condition, group by columns, having condition. The table name means name of the table. Column list means name of the columns of the table. Columns, name of the columns which will participate in grouping. Let us discuss some examples of group by clause. As you know, group by clause is used with an aggregate function. So how we can use group by with count function? Student, we are taking EMP table as example, which you have seen in the previous slide. Select count star department department number from EMP group by department number. This query will count number of employees according to department number. Means the query will group number of employees according to their department numbers. Suppose there are three department numbers given in a table: department number 10, department number 20 and department number 30. Few employees belong to 10, few belongs to 20 and few belongs to 30. If you will use the count star function without group by clause, it will count the total number of employees in a table, which we have discussed in our previous video. Here, this count function will count number of employees in each department. This is the use of group by clause. Now, you can use group by with other functions also. You can use group by with sum, group by with average and other group functions. Use of having clause. I told you that there is little bit difference between having and where clause. Having restricts data which we have retrieved from the table using group by clause. Means select count star department number from EMP group by department number. Means now the data is retrieved from the table according to the grouping of department number, and having will restrict this grouped data. Having will restrict this grouped data with count star is greater than 2. But with the help here, you can't replace having with the where. You can't apply where condition on group functions or grouped data. Order by. Order by is to sort data or record in ascending or descending order. Suppose I want to retrieve data in order of employee names, ascending order of their names. Ascending order means the alphabetical order. Alphabetical order, it will start from A to Z. Select star from EMP, order by E name. Then select star from EMP, order by SAL descending. SAL descending means order by clause will retrieve data in order of salaries descending order, means the highest salaried person's record will be the top record and the lowest salaried person's record will be the last record. This is all about this class. Hope you understood all group by, having and order by clauses. Thank you, students.